Hey, good morning everybody. I want to show you literally the easiest dinner that I ever make. I make this dinner on days when I know that it's going to be crazy in the afternoons and I don't have a lot of time, and kind of those nights where everyone has to serve themselves. This is just so simple, and the best thing about this is you can serve this like 20 different ways. So all you need are frozen chicken breasts. I buy the giant pack from Costco, as you can see. You need a crock pot, which I think most of y'all probably have. And you need salsa. Literally, that's all you need. So, and you need I like to use nonstick spray. You don't have to use nonstick spray, but I do. So all you do, I've already done this. I actually started doing this and I was like, this is a great video for you guys, because if you need like a really fast meal, not fast, takes all day, but if you need something that comes together quickly. And I love it because you can make it in the morning. My mornings are actually pretty calm, so and my afternoons are crazy. So all you do is spray, hey Grace, all you do is spray your crock pot with the non-stick, and then you just take those chicken breasts. These are rock hard frozen. The other thing is I forgot, I was gonna thaw ground beef and I totally forgot to do that yesterday, so now I'm on to plan B, and then these two are actually frozen together. So I'm using 4 chicken breasts. This will actually give me leftovers, and my bag is empty. Just dumped everything in that crock pot. Let me see if I can get a better angle for the crock pot. So as you can see there, just put everything in the crock pot, and then all I do is just pour the salsa on top of it. And I'm actually gonna use, since I did 4 chicken breasts, it's actually taking up a good amount of space. I'm actually gonna put this all in here, I think. And then I'm just gonna add, you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just because my chicken breasts are really big and they're taking up a lot of the crock pot. I'm gonna add a little water to the top, put my lid on. So I always, with meat in the crock pot, I start out on high for like the first hour and then I move it to low. I don't really have a reason for that, I just do it that way. And there you go, that's it. I put it off, and what time is it right now? It is 8:20 here. So that means it'll be ready before 5 o'clock tonight. And with this, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna get some soft flour tortillas. I'm gonna do shredded cheese, shredded lettuce, sour cream, probably some beans, and the kids are gonna make their own tacos. This will probably give me a little bit of leftovers, and then I'll probably make some either chicken enchiladas or chicken burritos the next day. So that's it. I don't know how long I've been live, but that's dinner right there, because the other stuff's already done. It's already in my fridge, the lettuce, cheese, and all you need to do is heat up those tortillas. So really in like 5 minutes, guys, you can have dinner, and this tastes so good. I use the Costco salsa, the Kirkland brand. You can use whatever you want. You can make your own salsa. You can add, if you don't have salsa, you can add a can of like Rotel tomatoes and a little chicken broth, and just some taco seasoning. It doesn't need to be complicated, and that's all you do, and there's your dinner. So if you don't want to make chicken tacos, hey Carla, you can do you could do this on on top of salad with like some crunched up Fritos or tortilla shells. Another thing you can do with this is make chicken nachos. So simple, so easy. You have dinner ready to go, and I still have a kid over here eating breakfast. So there you go. Have a great Monday. Hope this is like a fun start to your day. Now you know what to make for dinner, and I will see you guys later in the week.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.